Hey guys, how's it going? Ghostly Rich here today, and today we're going to be quickly swapping out a camshaft positioning sensor on this Jeep Wrangler 2-liter. All you should have to do is grab yourself a T30, loosen off the two screws on the beauty cover. Once we do that, we should be able to just pop this up, and then the back side's going to be two rubbers, so just lift up and it'll pop off. Another couple T30s, pop them out, and then this should just come up here. That's your diff breather. So right here, just go ahead, wiggle and pop. Pretty easy. Then after you do that, this should be free and lift it out. Next thing we're gonna have to do is we're gonna have to pop some pieces off, these air hoses off, so that way we can remove this one intake tube off of the turbo. That way, if we get this out of the way, our sensor should be just underneath here. So first things first is just compress here and wiggle. This should just be, again, I'm probably gonna need both hands to do it, but that's what you're gonna do. Compress and pull out. So you'll notice you just flip this up and then you'll compress and wiggle. Gotta use that finger strength, but again, this slides back. Be very gentle with it, compress it, and then pull out. Do that with the one down here too. For this guy, compress on both sides and then wiggle. It's kind of fun. There we go. Again, it's just press both sides of it when you pull back. Kind of spin this around so it's like that. I don't want to disconnect this one right now. It's just, it's giving me coolant vibes. So what we're gonna do is loosen the clamp right here. It should be an 8mm. We'll loosen that one, and there'll be one down there, which you'll see as well on the other side. Once we loosen that, we can wiggle this and navigate it. Right here, you'll have one more 8mm. So take that 8mm out, loosen that 8mm clamp like I told you, and then the 8mm clamp up here, you'll make sure that they're very loose. And if we really want to, we'll pop this safety up, and just for the heck of it, just to make sure we don't break any clips, move that off to the side. You'll now notice this is nice and loose. Let's go ahead, pull it out of that side, then this side, and see if we can maneuver it out of the way. Right here is your cam sensor. Just slide up the red tab, just like you're used to, and then compress and wiggle. All right, I ended up taking off the bottom clamp too and just slip that coupler out. It's pretty easy to do. Once you do that, I like to put a rag over top, so that way any debris that might fall in there will land on there. And if you drop a socket, it's really easy to pick up. Very important, don't forget that rag or you're gonna need a new motor. Yeah, make sure you remember to take that rag out. So the next thing we can now do is get a ratchet on here and loosen off the retaining bolt. There's the sensor out. Again, you just pull that 10mm off the bottom and then pull the plug off, put the new one. You can either plug it in first. I wouldn't, I'd just slide the new sensor in and make sure it lines up. The other thing is you can do whatever you want really for a torque spec. I think a lot of people just do 80 inch-pounds. I usually just do as tight as I can get it with the smaller ratchet and throw a tiny bit of blue Loctite on there. That's all you need. You do that, it's not gonna back out. If you need a part number, there you go. Go ahead, pop out your new sensor and slip it in there. After you go ahead and plug that sensor back in, go ahead and slide this back down like so. You can see that arrow, that is the airflow direction. So it goes down because it comes out of the turbo and into the intake manifold. So tighten up both your clamps down there, the 10mm, or sorry, 8mm. I have to say 8 so you guys don't do it with a 10. And then from there, make sure you plug in that sensor in the back over here. Then next, we need to bring in our next sensor, which is right here. That'll come in here. And this one will rotate and go up and over here. Might have to navigate that one a little better onto there. But then connect this guy, pop your safety down once you know it's locked in. And that one's on there. This hose, clip it back down so it's clipped back in. And just go over everything, make sure everything is reconnected in and your safeties are reseated. Go ahead, slap your 8mm bolt down here, put the beauty cover on, 2 8mm bolts. Slap on the final beauty cover on top and put down those 2 Torx bolts and you're done. Thanks again for watching. Press a like if it helped you out and subscribe for more.